Take 3. My people are back. Which kind winch they pursue Reverend Father Mbaka? I wonder why the Catholic Church never sacked that kind man, that fake Reverend Father. Make una judge now. Mbaka been tell us say, if Chimaroke contests, that he will resign as a priest. Chimaroke contested and won. Mbaka didn't resign. Ye rolling. Now this useless Mbaka tell us say, one of the northern governors in PDP will win the 2019 election. Okay? Today we have Buhari in Aso Rock, peppering us, showing us, oh Jesus, pepper. See as him don't rumple everybody life. Now this same Mbaka talk say, God tell him, say Buhari will not contest in 2019 election. He contested and rigged himself back. Yet nothing happened. My people, which kind of Mbaka they smoke? Which kind were your spirit with them possess Mbaka? Is it the APC Islamic spirit? Or the impunity spirit that is driving Mbaka? Now, Mbaka ihedioha him one face. Make I tell you, listen, you piece of shit. Nobody they listen to all this your fake prophecy. Again, Reverend Mbaka. Leave Imo people alone. No. Imo state has been settled. Imolites say na ihedioha be their hope. Ihedioha, I beg, face your lane. Just know that our searchlight is on you. As you say you won't walk, me and the boys go help you do that work. Because Imo State don't suffer too much. But if Wayo enter this thing, hey, ihedioha, walai talai, you go see anyhow.